Okay, so we don't have much time. I'm burning over here. I've already taken some sausage and browned it in this pot. Now I'm going to add some chicken that's pre-cooked. I got it at Walmart. It's fully cooked grilled chicken breast strips. You can also use regular chicken. I was just, just kind of doing this in a hurry. And that'll save a little time. So in that in that sausage grease, huh?
It's really good chicken. I love that kind of chicken.
In that sausage grease, we're going to brown our chicken in it. Let's see if this is going to hold here. Okay. Now, we're making a pasta with some tortellini. Ooh, hot. Okay, and this, we're just kind of browning. It's absorbing some of that flavor from the sausage. It's already pre-cooked, so we don't have to, look, I missed the sausage taking it out. So we don't have to, really cook it. We're kind of just heating it up. Alright. To that, we're going to add a jar sun-dried tomatoes with the oil. And these are cut in julienne style. So we're going to cook our chicken in this. Alright. Let it absorb some of that flavor. I'm going to turn my heat down. Let me turn it back up. We're making a tortellini pasta here. Now you could add some artichokes to this. I'm not. But I did get, what? Jesus Christ. Okay, now I'm going to add some mushrooms. These are some baby bellas that have been washed. Well, wash them now. Washed out. We're going to add them here. And let them cook and absorb some of that seasoning from the tomatoes. Ooh, that looks good. All right, let's add a little bit of garlic. Michael, did you throw away my garlic?
Yeah, baby, I already put it out for you.
What are you doing? Alright, let's add some garlic to this. We like garlic, so we'll do 2 heaping tablespoons. Minced garlic.
She was in there loving really good, get them chips and get on the side, zoom in and start taking little videos.
She quit?
No, she heard you and looked up and told me.
Alright, look at that. Now, what we're going to add to this is some cream cheese. And I got the flavored kind. This is the garden vegetables. Golden. I don't know why I said that.
Oh, you didn't need that cream cheese I got it for you?
Yeah. Alright. And really and truly, you can use whatever flavor you want. I'm going to add about half of this container here and keep the rest for bagels. About 4 ounces, I guess. If you don't like the garden vegetable, you can definitely use whatever flavor you like. You could use plain. So we're going to let this cream cheese melt down in there. This is super fast and super easy. Even if you use chicken that you had to cook, just cook your chicken first. Flavor it however you want.
I do love that chicken in the bag from Walmart. I love their chicken. Their steak's pretty good too. Like you can make
Alright, that's pretty much all melted and mixed in there pretty good. Well, I got a little bit here. Now we're going to add some heavy whipping cream. Just like that. That is going to make this nice and thick. Now look, I have this gallon of milk that just has like this little titty bit in there, so I'm just going to add it. Because it's not enough to do anything with. Except maybe make a partial bottle for good. Yep.
You probably like heavy cream too.
He ain't getting that. He'll be a fat little nugget. Alright. Let's bring that up, the heat up a little bit.
Oh, Beth Ann Thomas, her grandson's been in the hospital.
I'm sorry to hear that, Beth Ann. I'm going to let that come to a little bit of a simmer. And while that's cooking, we're going to add some spinach that I just bought.
Somebody said fresh spinach actually goes in there too.
Well, you were thinking like me, girl.
She's literally washing the spinach off right now.
Alright, now I just cleaned it in the bag. And we're going to add the spinach to it.
What do you call this?
I don't know. A whole pot of yummy? I don't know. What do y'all think we should call it? Now the pasta we're using is tortellini. We got spinach. We're going to add some Parmesan cheese. What do y'all think we should call it?
Chicken and sausage, tortellini. That was pre-cooked chicken.
It was. It was. But you don't have to use pre-cooked chicken. I have a feeling it'd probably be better if you didn't. But that's just what I had on hand. And it saved us a step, so I'm okay with it. Alright, now we're going to add a little bit of red pepper flakes. Probably about a half a tablespoon. We like ours spicy now.
Cindy McCall, she said her husband after 40 years of Texas.
Oh, Cindy, I'm so sorry. Oh, that makes me so sad. I wish I had some wise, comforting words for you, but I don't. Just know that we'll be thinking about you and praying for you.
And we do. We actually, talk about y'all all the time, especially a lot of the ones that come in. What we're y'all up to.
Look at that. Let's add our sausage back in. Alright, so this was just some smoked sausage that I had cooked. And then we added our chicken in.
Well, Denise, we hadn't found a name for it yet, but I was thinking chicken and sausage tortellini. cheese tortellini too, huh?
Mm-hmm. But you can use spinach. You could use whatever tortellini you want. Okay. One last thing, girls. We're gonna add in. We're gonna turn off this heat. Well, we'll make sure that spinach is nice and wilted. And then we're going to turn off the heat and add our Parmesan cheese. Now while that's going, I'm going to go ahead and drain our tortellini.
And babe, you're not using that bacon in? I guess I'll put that in.
Now, I do have some fresh parsley we can add in. Let me just cut it.
That ain't even parsley.
Yeah, it is.
No, I mean, I had it in my hand.
That's probably a little bit you cut it away. Throw that in there. And then we'll garnish for the pictures. Okay, now our spinach is getting nice and wilted. Let's go ahead and turn off that heat. Our heat is off. Now we're going to stir in our Parmesan cheese. Okay, and I did, how many ounces is this? 5 ounces. We're going to stir that in there. Let that get all melty. Look how pretty that is. And you could have put, like I said, artichokes in here. You can really put whatever vegetable you want.
Debbie said this. Debbie Hilbert said this looks amazing. Bravo.
Thank you. All right, let's add our tortellini in there. Oh God, we went to a Mardi Gras parade, and I hate Mardi Gras.
It was freezing.
It wasn't freezing. It was cold, but
it was 37 degrees.
It was pretty cold. But I don't know whoever had the idea. The noodles had a little bit of fluid in it, but it'll thicken right up. I don't know whoever had the great idea of saying, I know, let's put a whole bunch of drunk people together in the middle of the street and see how that turns out.
Driving vehicles in between them.
Yeah. Let's see. We saw people get arrested. But Mike had never been, so he wanted to go see what it was all about. We got out of there as fast as we could.
I think I'm starting to like people, crowds of people, more as I get older.
Oh my God, why?
I don't know.
All right. Let's make us a plate to take a picture. Oh, this is pretty. We got mushrooms, we got spinach, we got sun-dried tomatoes, we got cheese. All right, now I'm gonna put, here we go, up close. Really, that sauce is gonna thicken up some more too. Now, I'm gonna put some crushed parsley on top to garnish it. And really, that's just to make the picture pretty. Let's see. Well, we'll take the picture over there. I guess that's it, you guys. I'm going to take a picture and then we'll post this on the website. And that, friends, is dinner. No, I made something else. It was kind of like it, but it was different. It wasn't with tortellini. I don't think. No, it wasn't. Okay. And really and truly, I cooked so much, I have no idea what I made. Papa's here. He wants to try some later. We got some for you. He's coming over. I never see your comments. Aw, I'm sorry. Who is this? Miss, I think it's Lakita. Lakita Barbie. You're right. That's the first time I saw you comment. Tom getting on. You think it's your phone? I don't think it's your phone. I think it's something up with the algorithm. Don't eat that. That's for pictures. You got to clean the side of it and put the wooden thing underneath it. No, do it for me. I don't think it's you. I think it's just the algorithm, and you know, you got to make sure you comment. You got to make sure you do the little thumbs up and the hearts and all those things, and you know, also share. That also helps. And if you want the recipe, then you can always find it on mrsmunson.com. Also, let me remember to tell you guys, we are probably more than halfway sold out. We're definitely more than halfway sold out for the crafting retreat. Now, we are already in February. Be careful. So, the option for 8 payments is not available anymore, but you can still pay in 6 payments. So, if that's something you think you might be interested in, go on over to mrsmunson.com, go to the section that says more, and you'll find a link to be able to sign up for the crafting retreat. So, we're going to have a great time. And it's a Christian crafting retreat, so we won't be drinking alcohol and, you know, and I'm not saying if that's your thing, don't be, you know, whatever, do you. But that's not what we're going to be doing. We're actually going to have a church service and, I mean, all kind of fun crafts, and I'm watching her take my picture. I know, this is my favorite, one of my favorite t-shirts. I love it. I wear it often. Got it on Amazon. It is in the Amazon store, so if you go to mrsmunson.com and click on the Amazon favorites, you will find it in there. It gets hot in here with that, that thing. Whew. Miss Mary, how are you? I see you out there. All right. I'm going to go. Do we take medicines for cholesterol or triglycerides? Nope. Nope, nope, nope. We sure don't. Not yet, anyways.
Know what a triglyceride is, but it sounds yummy.
No, we actually have all had that, both had that recently checked, and we're fine there.
You didn't use the butter either?
So, I used the oil from the tomatoes. Okay, I'm about to die of heat, so I'm going to go have dinner with my family. Does this have chicken in it? Yes, ma'am, Miss Martha. Thank you, Nancy. I'm going to go have dinner with my family, and so we were talking about coming back a little bit later and making a dessert. However, we're expecting company. We're going to hang out and watch our show. What is it, 19 what?
85.
No, it's 29, I think. 23, 1923. That's what we're going to watch with Nana Papa tonight. So, we'll see you guys possibly a little later. If not, this recipe will be on the website. And Big Daddy and I is going to make a pasta tomorrow for lunch, and we'll definitely make a dessert tomorrow night. Hopefully, we can have leftovers. So, we'll see. Have a good night.